Welcome guys, the channel of KPR Coding, where we solve problems related to coding and technical issues. So today we are going to solve a problem of counting the character in a string, where the string contains character, special character, and also numbers. So in this video you also get tips and tricks for removing errors in your programs. If you are new in this channel and haven't subscribed the channel, consider subscribing it and watch this video till the end. You will get various type of tips and tricks and information. So let's begin. We have created a project, name it counter character, and first we have to give the variables of various types, like no, we are using single integers only for counting the characters. So int alpha character and digits and special characters and I and length of string. So, and assigning the value, we will use a trick. As I said, we will give you tips. So the trick is, in C# we can use assigning values like this, and we don't have to assign everything with 0, so we can assign as equals to 0 to every variables. Okay, special character equals to I equals to 0. Now we have to give the output statement on the screen, so the user or the customer can access or understand what is going on. So console dot writeLine program count the character in so this is the headline of the program. And the separator, we also need to keep the separator, as you can give them separate from the coding or main program. So this is the separator. Now let's ask the user for writing the input. Okay, console dot writeLine, enter the string, and then let's get in the coding of getting the string from the user and converting or accessing these characters and counting. Okay, so first get the string. So string str console dot readLine. Our string is given by the user, and we count the length of the string by L equals to str.length. Okay, so main input from the user has done. Now we have to get in the real program of coding part, where we count the character. So while stri is 0, which will count from 0 or 0 index of the string, is less than equals to small a, and stri is less than equals to small z, and make it in another bracket, so that we can use whole alphabet in single string. Okay, no, I have some error. We don't have to write this in while. Okay. We have to write I if while I is less than L. Okay. Now we have to give an if condition here. If and this. Okay. I've given the bracket more than 2 times, so I've removed it. Then now and oh no sorry, or str I is greater than equals to character A and str I is less than equals to Z, then we have what we have to do. We have to increase the alpha character, that is alpha plus plus, and if str I is less than greater than equals to 1 and str is less than equals to 9. Okay. Let it be. Okay. Okay, so then what we have to do is the digit counter. Okay. Digit plus, and if not, increase the special counter, because if there is no any character or digits, then it will be a special character. So as we need to special character plus, now we need to get the output from this. Okay, and I have to increase I. Okay, then that will increase every iteration. So now we have to give the output console.write line and the number of alpha bits are. For stylizing, you can use this type of string format. Okay, then give this okay. Now you can use this also for assigning the string formatting, and we have to duplicate this and the number of digits, number of special, and then we have to write digits, and here we have to write special characters. So let's, our coding part is completed. Let's get into the output of that code. For that we have to run and for the output. Okay. Oh, not here, not here. Here. Subscribe to KPR coding and share it to your great friends. Okay. Now let's see what will be the output. The number of alphabets are 41. The number of digits are 3, as I said 3 in this. These are 1 as I have written 3 in this string, and number of special character is 50. Number of special character is 50. Now let's see the code. Okay, subscribe to KPR coding and share it to friends. Okay, the number of special characters are 9. Okay, that's 4. It's completed as we have error of that it will changes to else and without going to this conditions. So we write as if in this part. So here is the code. You can see fully how to code like this. And if you like this video and haven't subscribed this channel, consider subscribing it, and we will upload as much as possible in this channel various coding tips and tricks and programs. If you have any query or problems, you can ask in the comment section down below, and you can ask any type of coding problem you are having in your schools, in your college, anything. We can try to solve it. Okay. Until then, keep coding. Goodbye.